pagkakaiba ngayon is una-una, mabanggit ko lang, no? The Madayaw AAP PNP housing is outside of Metro Manila. Siya ang pinakaunang low-rise buildings natin. In fact, dito yun sa Davao City. The size of the unit, dalawang model yon, isang 36 square meter at isang 42 square meter. This is in response to the clamor of the armed forces personnel na lakihan yung units, yung area, yung floor area. So we came up with a bigger design and much better in terms of finishing. Good quality ang ating na-produce. On the other hand, yung Blue Farm Villas, ano siya, 2-story duplex model. So ang total floor area is 60 square meter, while the lot size is 80 square meter. It has a bigger floor area, and then the finishing is talagang we can say superior as compared to all the previous housing projects we have done for the AAP PNP. Mas malaki and mas maganda ang ating mga units ngayon. Dahil ang sukat ng lupa is 80, there is a provision for parking space. Ang NSA ngayon is tumutugon sa hamon to build more housing which are better and suited to the needs of the people. So we are crafting designs and policies responsive sa ano yung we have learned some lessons in the past, and we are avoiding it and in fact improving our products, our housing units.